Today I have a question for A level on the board, and the question belongs to I forgot to write the year here. So the question belongs to it is 9702. It is 13 MJ 18, and the question number is 35. Is 35. I can remember the name. So it shows a diagram here. The diagram shows a network of 3 resistors. Resistors are here, and 2 of them are named as R, marked R. They are identical. The other resistor has a resistance of 5 ohm like this, and what it says is the resistance between Y and Z is 2.5 ohm. That means if I connect a device over here, the resistance that it measures will be 5.0 ohm, and from there I have to find the resistance between X and Y. So here we have 2 unknown resistors R and R. So our first job will be to find the value of these R's. So for that we have to go through this statement. It says that the resistance between Y and Z is 2.5 ohm. So let us redraw this circuit in a comfortable manner. So let us look at this like this, and twist it like this. I look at it like this and twist it like this. So while doing so, the network will be somewhat like this. This point will be Z, this point will be Z. So from here I will have this 5.0 ohm, and from here it goes to the point Y, and I'll draw this now. So here it will be this is small resistance R, and again I will have this R, and like this, and this will be point X. This is R, and it will be X. So instead of a triangle, I have changed the shape into a rectangle. So what it now says is we have RXY, YZ is equal to 2.5 ohm. So this RYZ is a parallel combination of 5.0 and these 2 R's, which is 2R. So that gives us 1 by 2.5 should be equal to 1 by 5.0 plus 1 by 2 R. So this gives us 1 by 2 R should be equal to 1 by 2.5 minus 1 by 5.0. This will be equal to 1 by 5.0, which means 2R is equal to 5.0, and this R equal to 5.0 by 2 equal to 2.5 ohm. So that means each of these R and R will be 2.5 ohm and 2.5 ohm. So each of them will be 2.5 ohm. Now we have to find the resistance between X and Y. So let's again change this into a comfortable form. So the form will be like this. So this is point X here. This is X. From X we have got this 2.5 ohm here. This is 2.5 ohm, and it comes like this. This will be Y, and here it will be, I have 2 resistors. One of them is 2.5. Then I will have one of them as a 5.0, and this point will be Z. This will be Z. So this is ohm and this is ohm. So I'm just trying to be a bit more comfortable. So we have got triangle here, and I have changed that into a rectangle. So I need to find this RXY. So this RXY is the parallel combination of 2.5 and this thing is equal to 7.5. So I must have 1 by RXY should be equal to 1 by 2.5 plus 1 by 7.5. 0.5. Now I have to use calculator here because it will make things comfortable for me. So from here what I will have is 2.5 reciprocal, we have reciprocal function here, plus 7.5 again reciprocal is equal to this much, and its a reciprocal will give me so it give me RXY is equal to 1.875 ohm. And if I go through the choices here, the nearest answer is C. So it is nearby 1.9 ohm, and my answer will be This is C, 1.9 ohm. So this should be the correct choice.